morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Thursday, January 29th. The euro declined 0.81% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1279. The greenback traded on a stronger footing after the Fed in its monetary policy meeting of 2015 expressed optimism over the US economic growth, citing strong improvement in the jobs market. Additionally, the central bank reiterated that it would be patient in deciding when to raise interest rates from the current low levels. Meanwhile, it kept its key interest rate unchanged at 0.25% in line with market expectations. In other economic news, the MBA mortgage applications dropped 3.2% on a weekly basis in the week ended 23rd of January 2015. Elsewhere, in Germany, the GfK Consumer Confidence Index rose to a 13-year high level of 9.3 in February, compared to market expectations of an advance to 9.1. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1238, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.1200. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1349, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1422. Trading trends on the year today are expected to be determined by Germany's CPI unemployment data, scheduled in a few hours. Meanwhile, the US weekly initial jobless claims data would also grab a lot of market attention, scheduled later today. The British pound fell 0.28% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5145. Yesterday, the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney in a press conference stated that the UK economy was expanding solidly and was showing signs that wage growth has picked up in the nation. Furthermore, he expressed concerns over the economic situation prevailing in the Eurozone and urged the member nations to take necessary measures in order to prevent the single currency bloc from falling into a debt trap. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5107, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5073. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5198, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5255. Trading trends in the pound today are expected to be determined by Britain's CPI reported sales, scheduled later today. The US dollar weakened 0.26% against the Japanese yen and closed at 117.46. The pair is expected to find support at 117.38, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 116.82. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 118.37, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 118.80. Looking ahead, market participants await Japan's national CPI data, scheduled overnight. The Australian dollar weakened 0.44% against the US dollar to close at 0.7896. Early morning data showed that the export price index in Australia remained unchanged on a quarterly basis in the fourth quarter 2014, while the nation's import price index rebounded 0.9%. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7836, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7786. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7982, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.8078. The gold price is traded lower by 0.70% against the US dollar at $1284.90 per ounce on the back of the Fed's upbeat assessment of the US economy and the nation's labor market, thereby boosting the greenback. The pair is expected to find support at 1276.40, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1269.90. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1291.70, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1300.50. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market predictions, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channel. Have a great trading day!